it's Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch my video. Today I am finally going to be tackling my disaster of a makeup vanity. Just want to bring you guys along as I declutter and organize my vanity because just look at the inside of this vanity, you guys. I literally have basically pencil shavings from lip liners. I have receipts. I just have like old makeup that I either need to throw away or stuff that I'm not using that I could give to my mom. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to speed up the process for you guys because I feel like declutter videos that are just quiet with some background music and sped up are actually pretty relaxing to watch. I'm going to just take that approach and then I'll kind of go over at the end what I'm getting rid of, just show you guys my organized makeup collection at the end. Also, if you are interested in helping me get to 900 subscribers, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Otherwise, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, I am all done. Here is the finished result. It's not perfect, but it is much, much better than it was before. I could use some more of these plastic organizers too to help out this situation. But yeah, so I've got lashes, makeup applicators, some primers, concealers, foundations, lip products, some other face products, eyeshadow palettes. It's just so much more organized, a lot better. And then here is what I am getting rid of. That little pile I just have to put away. This stuff, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna give to my mom and whatnot. Most of it's going to her, but I don't really think she's gonna use those lashes because they're a little much. I might just try to sell those on Mercari or something. And this is everything that I have to throw away because it's either old or garbage. So that is it, you guys. I am so relieved that is over with. Thank you guys so much for watching this Declutter With Me video. If you enjoyed it, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button down below to help my channel grow. Otherwise, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!